Today I'll be showing you guys how to make fluffy slime. So here's what you'll be needing. First thing, obviously, will be a mixing bowl. Next will be some PVA glue. I'm just using some Elmer's. The size is 4.06 milliliters. Next, you'll be needing some shaving foam. I'm just using this Gillette regular foaming. The next thing will be some lotion, just to make it stretchy. Next you'll be needing some cornstarch or some baby powder. I'm just using Johnson's baby powder. Next you'll be using an activator. I'm just using 1 cup of warm water with a teaspoon of borax. And next is optional, which is just some neon food coloring and some foaming soap, which I forgot to add in. So let's get started. So now you want to get out your bowl and you want to get out your glue, and you're just going to squeeze all of the glue in. Once that's done, you want to get out your shaving cream and you're just going to squirt in a bit. And remember to not put in more than you put in glue, or else it'll become too foamy and too sticky. But now you want to get out your mixing utensil and you're going to just stir until evenly combined. Next, you want to get out your foaming soap and you want to put in 2 to 3 squirts in, or else it'll become very soapy and it'll leave a soapy residue. But you want to get out your mixing utensil and mix till well combined. Next you want to get out your cornstarch or baby powder and you're going to put in a bit. I just put around a teaspoon. The baby powder is there to give a matte finish to your slime. I really need you with me. Now you want to get out your lotion and you're going to put in the bowl, and remember not to put in too much or else it'll become too stretchy and sticky, but mix until well combined. The cream also gives it a very nice scent to it. Now you want to get out your paint or your food coloring and you're going to put in some of it in, and I'm just using this nice pink color to give it a nice strawberry scent. And you guys know the drill, mix until well combined. My heart would never be much faster before you came. Now this is going to get a little messy and probably the hardest part, but you're going to get out your activator and put a little bit in. I'm just using a Gatorade bottle because it really limits how much you put in. I'm just putting in 2 drops to start off with, and we'll start to mix. Remember to get all the corners and not just in the middle of your bowl. Remember to not be too tempted to put in too much borax and stay patient. Also, don't be too afraid to add any adjustments you need to get the perfect consistency of your slime. I wanted more of a fluffier and matte, so I added more baby powder and shaving cream. Let it go, make my body go. Make our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could gain the ocean. Before I was found. Once your slime stops sticking to the bowl, you want to take it out and start to knead it. But remember to not be too excited to take it out of the bowl yet. You really want to make sure that it's not sticking to the bowl, or else it'll get too sticky and it'll go everywhere. Trust me, that's happened to me quite a few times. But now you want to start kneading, and that's basically it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and comment down below if you guys want more tutorials and DIYs. Bye!